So as soon as I got my Rocketeer figure, which if you go to 10 Universe Presents, you can see my review of it. But as soon as I went and got it, as soon as I got my Rocketeer figure, I wanted to do like LEDs with this. And see, here's my hookup. I got like this basic twist connection there with the battery behind a LED. I got like a yellow one and a red one up in there, and it doesn't spread as much as I really wanted to, but I think when you turn out the lights it probably would look a lot better. Another thing is that this one doesn't come with a gun, and that's a Fortnite gun. I decided with it because it kind of makes it look steampunky, so I think it fits with him pretty good. But let's see how this looks. That looks pretty cool, I think.